Hey YouTube, it is your girl Marcita B, and today we are taking a look at the V11 Yankee mini twist from Zury. Stay tuned because I'm about to give you all the 411. So again, this hair is from Zury, and I have it in color Some Ginger, which is perfect for this time of year. It's got that orange flavor going on for Halloween. Hair comes 180 strands per pack. I purchased this at my local beauty supply store. They had the solid colors for, if memory serves, it was like $18-19 a pack. Of course, I got the some braid color, which was a little more, I think it was like $23.99 per pack. Now, I have seen this hair also online at the online beauty supply stores, and I will of course post all that information in the description box. Check for that. Basically though, this is their Zury's V11. It comes 9, 10, and 11 inches. You get 60 strands in each bundle. So you get 60 strands of the 9, 60 of the 10, and 60 of the 11. And you can, of course, install that however you like. I always pretty much stick to the traditional 11 at the bottom, followed by the 10 and the 9. I did purchase 2 packs. Y'all know I like to lay that hair in thick. I'm using one of those crochet wig caps that they give you when you purchase a wig. I like to use these sometimes because they're lighter and they don't have that thick band that you have to cut through. It's sometimes kind of tight around your head. Now, I did end up using all the strands from both packs, so we're talking 360 strands, which may sound like a lot, but you gotta keep in mind, these are mini twists, so they're really thin, and the hair is really, really lightweight. Now this is a super fast installation. Took around 20 minutes per bundle for a total of just a little over 2 hours for the complete look. YouTube, if you enjoyed this content, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am out for now, YouTube. But you know what I always say before I leave? You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I'm Marcita B. I rule the day, dropping curls like bars. I do it my way. Yeah, I'm the queen with the 411. If it's crochet braids, I get it done. Can't check me, hun. Got none to prove. Already the best, right here on YouTube.